this topic is about multiplication of whole number and simple fraction. So, dagay nag-request on saan pag-multiply sa simple fraction o whole number. So, atong example number 1 is 1/2. Ang atong simple number, simple fraction. And ang atong whole number is 3. So, saan na to? So, hinanayon na to pag-answer ang 1/2 times 3. So, atong i-express ang whole number na 3 as fraction. So, kopyahan na to 1/2 times 3. Butang ato denominator na 1. So, that is equal. So, pwede na ito mag-multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. And 2 times 1 is 2. So, kay improper fraction man ang atong answer. Atong i-simplify. Atong i-convert into mixed fraction by dividing the numerator to its denominator. So 3 divide 2, that is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, so 1 and 1/2. So ang atong final answer is 1 and 1/2. So muna ang atong answer. Another example is 1/6 times 6. So same na gyapon, atong i-express ang atong whole number as fraction. So 1/6 times 6, butangan itong denominator na 1. And then 6, 1 times 6 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6, or express na to into lowest term o simplest form. So 6 divided 6 is 1. Another example, 20 times 2/3. So, same magyapon, atong i-express ang whole number into fraction. So, 20 over 1 times 2 and 2/3. So, next, so pwede natin mag-multiply. Next is 20 times 2 is 40, and 1 times 3 is 3. So, kita na ito nga improper fraction ang atong tubag. So, let's rename improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing its numerator to denominator. So ano to pag rename? So, atong i-divide ang 40 into 3. So, 3. So, 40 divide 3 is na itong 4. So, 1. So, 3. Let's subtract. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down 0. So, 10 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So, let's subtract. So, it is 1. So, therefore, ang answer is 13 and 1/3. 1/3. So, muna ang atong answer. So, 13 and 1/3. So, list na to. Itong tubag is 13 and 1/3. Next is 6 times 1/8. So, same rin yapon, express whole number into fraction. So, 6 over 1 times 1 over 8. So, let's multiply 6 times 1. 6. 1 times 8 is 8. So, proper fraction man, let's reduce into lowest term. So, atong ang lowest term na is divided by 2. Because pod was 2. So, atong answer is 6 divided 2 is 3. And 8 divided 2 is 4. So, atong final answer is 3. 4.